Good morning, everyone. It is Julie here with your Wednesday morning stock market news, where we're getting you up to speed with what you need to know as the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, I am back. I apologize for the extended absence there. We did a 6-day drive up to Canada, and it's just taken me a couple days to unpack and get into the new morning routine. So I'm sorry I've been away from our normal morning content, but we are back at it now. Of course, this morning we're going to be taking a look at exciting stock market news. Not really much happening for earnings today, so we're going to skip past that and see which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget you can download the TipRanks mobile app if you want to access some of my favorite research tools by following the links in the description down below. You can also get 10% off. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are mixed this morning ahead of the Fed's rate decision later today, where it's anticipated that they will put a pause on any interest rate increases. Right now, Dow futures are down 0.25%, but S&P 500 futures are up 0.07% and NASDAQ futures up 0.04%. Shares of UnitedHealth are falling this morning, currently down over 5% after their CFO made comments regarding the outlook of medical costs. The health insurance company said that seniors have been catching up on procedures that were delayed during the pandemic, and this is leading to rising costs for insurers. They projected that UnitedHealth's medical care ratio, or the share of premiums spent on healthcare costs, will come under pressure in Q2 of this year. They're anticipating the full year to settle in the upper half of the existing range that they had set up. The UnitedHealth stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of 21%. Plug Power is continuing their rally ahead of today's Analyst Day. The stock is up over 9% in the pre-market and has surged 19% this week in anticipation of the event. Plug has shared some of their ambitious goals, including they want to produce more than 2,000 tons per day of hydrogen from their green hydrogen network, including their first kiloton scale plant by 2030. They said they are positioning themselves to have the manufacturing capability to support 10 gigawatts of fuel cells and electrolyzers and to have 10,000 high-via vans on the road by 2030. They also introduced their HL 1500, which they said is the market's first portable hydrogen refueler designed to reduce infrastructure costs and deployment time for medium-duty and heavy-duty hydrogen-powered commercial vehicles. The Plug Power stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 68%. Amazon Web Services is deciding whether they'll use new AI chips from Advanced Micro Devices. Amazon Web Services has not yet publicly committed to using AMD's chips, but did say that they are considering it. Their VP of Elastic Compute Cloud at Amazon said that they're still working together on where exactly that will land between AWS and AMD, but it's something that their teams are working together on. The Amazon stock is rated a strong buy with 38 ratings and an average upside of over 8%, while the AMD stock is currently rated a moderate buy but with a slight downside as it's already surpassed many price targets. SHEL announced that they'll be boosting their gas production and increasing their dividend by 15%. Ahead of their investor day, they said that they will increase shareholder distribution to 30 to 40% of their cash flow from operations. This includes a 15% dividend hike effective for their second quarter. They also plan to reduce their capital spending. Shell plans to boost their gas production and keep their oil output steady and has restated their commitment to cut carbon emissions to net zero by 2050, saying that the company was making good progress. Analysts currently rate their stock a strong buy with an average upside of nearly 14%. And congratulations to Nvidia, who at the end of yesterday crossed the $1 trillion market cap level, making them the 7th company in U.S. history to do so. The stock ended yesterday at $410 per share. They've seen an incredible growth of 186% year to date, as the company has been flourishing on a flurry of announcements related to artificial intelligence. Their stock is currently rated a strong buy with 36 analyst ratings and an average price target of about $450 per share. Now, as I said at the start, we don't really have anything going on for earnings this morning, so we're going to move right along to the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Plug Power following their recent announcements. Trading under the ticker PLUG, the stock is currently up 9.17%. They're followed by Grifols under GRFS, up about 7.7%, and Coherent under COHR, up 6.8%. And our biggest losers this morning are led by Logitech after their president and CEO announced they would be resigning to pursue other opportunities. Trading under the ticker LOGI, their stock is down 10.4%. They're followed by Humana under HUM, down 8.3%, and Agilon Health under AGL, down 7.4%. So that is going to be everything for Wednesday morning's stock news, getting you up to speed with what you need to know as the market opens. If you made it to the end of today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments. I always love hearing from you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.